Honorable Richard Acheampong, second majority chiefship abusia, was say the new patriotic party no government in China abolish. Just say tin na party na ngaso munguno.
The minister came to this house, announced to us to abolish about 5 taxes. The only thing the minister failed to abolish is new patriotic party.
We and some MP for a Bia East district, Honorable Richard Acheampong, and our science a second majority chiefship leader away the 9th parliament. Jacobian men find something in our somewhere Kama Studios, and that's when they decam also flowing on Facebook at Selif Abdo, and I say Kama Entertainment on YouTube, Kama Studios, TikTok also Kama Studios. Now, my inform Mona and Seven Motion. News is very simple. Second majority chiefship or in the 9th parliament in Abusia, and then MP for Bia East district or MP or no representing Emma Nkoformo Bia East, I Mian Kasami constituency, away NDC demo. Na and meetings koso e parliament na or sorry say or kasa ebujanen some more kind of very simple. I say the last thing a minister of finance or kind of budget for 2025 for one fan kahono was to abolish the new patriotic party. Yamo MP in some more kind of ebujan me research and some fan MP ano. Me ntie no ye ba wache wadwena me so maka madwen or comment section ase.
But honorable member, sit down and listen to me before you leave. Mr. Speaker, the honorable member failed to tell this House that Bible quotations are also missing in the budget. Did you find the Bible quotation in the budget? And the honorable member told this House that we said we are cutting waste, but it can't find any expression in the budget. Mr. Speaker, if you had 123 ministers, and if you reduce it to 60, a difference of 63 ministers, go and check the overhead expenditure on them. 63 ministers. How much you guys spent on 123 ministers? Was it not a wasteful expenditure? We have a government who will not spend money to dig hole in the name of National Cathedral. We have a government who will not fly with a chartered flight with other friends. Other friends. And you know what I'm talking about. Mr. Speaker, we have a president who will not take national resources to pay ghosts. You're not paying ghosts here. You spent money to pay ghosts. And you are saying that GDP grew by 1.2 billion. Does it have a direct reflection on the lives of the ordinary people on the streets? So what's the meaning of 1.2 billion GDP that you're talking about? If you have a growth of 1.3 billion or 1.2 billion, there must be a physical manifestation, Mr. Speaker. The people in the country must live good. But what do we see on the streets? What do we see? Everywhere poverty. The minister came to this house, announced to us to abolish about 5 taxes. The only thing the minister failed to abolish is new patriotic party. Mr. Speaker, I refer my colleagues to the 2017 budget presented to this House by Honorable Ken Uforiata. The team is sowing the seeds for growth and jobs. I refer the House to paragraph 5 of the budget statement. Mr. Speaker, I read. Mr. Speaker, let us acknowledge that we have inherited a challenged economy with considerable debt overhang and rising interest payment caused by excessive borrowing. These are your words. At the time, Mr. Speaker, our debt stock stood at 122 billion Ghana cedis. Today, our debt is 727 billion Ghana cedis.
We and someone Honorable Richard Acheampong Abusia NP for Bia East District. After was also a second majority chiefship Abusia in the 9th parliament, and what you say the last thing. NDC, Minister of Finance for this country, what kind of budget, abolishing all the betting taxes and all the taxes, no. There was one major thing I wish one fan can eno eshina kuma okoda wana, and that was to abolish the new patriotic party. Adentia, this party has spent a lot of money in some projects that we didn't do investigation about, that didn't end up anywhere, or that's almost simple and short. Omo di Ghana physical we Ghana physical de show butum we and someone second majority chiefship abusia, and then MP for Bia East District or the two or Parliament, and I'm the somewhere Kama Studios. Why don't you assembly you know saying, do you think say he was right by saying that the very last thing that they didn't do was to abolish the new patriotic party? And then do you think I mean why do your comment section as, because the comment section is made for you. That was what your brain watch Kama Studios. I go by the name is the Kid Superstar. Thanks for watching. I'm finally out.